Morning, dear.
Stars shining bright above.
And Phil.
Morning, dear.
Married for 16 years, sleeping in separate beds for over half that time.
I love you.
It used to be I had to get into bed first so I'd warm it up. And then through the night she would sort of snuggle up to me because she's getting cold. And then she'd push me away. She wouldn't move away, she'd push me away. So you end up with that much of the mattress to sleep on. It's like, it's not much fun.
And he snores.
Oh, yeah.
Chronic.
So there's no kind of compromise here. It's the separate bed works for us.
I can still hear him from upstairs snoring.
It's not just the snoring keeping them apart. Tracy's bad back means that
Some days I only sleep an hour a day, so that sleeping in separate beds works.
And she likes watching TV in the middle of the night, which as soon as someone turns the light on, I'm awake again. But I sometimes get phone calls in the middle of the night from the customers I work in IT, and it's nice knowing that it's just me that's being affected. Thank you.
they'd prefer to sleep together.
We went out and got the old pocket spring mattress, zero partner disturbance thing, and it's like,
Yeah, we even tried separate blankets so that he'd have his own duvet in the bed and I'll have my own duvet in the bed, but no.
Like, you have given it a good crack, haven't you? Was it a gradual change, or was it just one day you're like, you know what, this is what works?
Thank you. It was probably gradual. It was, have a few nights apart and be back together, and then over time it became, well, actually I sleep far better when I've got the bed to myself.
Turns out, after talking to my friends and family and people at work, that sleeping solo is actually pretty common. People like their personal space. You guys aren't surprised, are you?
Not at all.
It's also a familiar issue for couples therapist Valeska Campion.
If people are sleeping in separate beds and it's making them unhappy and they want to be closer or they want to do it differently, that's when they change it. But if they're sleeping in separate beds and they're really happy, though they've got other ways of connecting, then that's fine. Sleeping in the same bed is an opportunity for intimacy and for closeness, to kiss, to say I love you, to appreciate the other person.
Tracy and Phil agree connection is crucial, but so's a good night's sleep.
Do you think it's more helpful for your relationship to sleep separately?
Yes, definitely, because we were getting really grumpy and biting off each other's head because we hadn't had enough sleep.
Dream of it.